So depending upon when you're watching this, Shiba Inu's game, Shiba Eternity, is most likely already out. Okay. And the interesting thing that I want to show you and talk to you about is number one, this is the culmination of a promise made by the Shiba Inu devs, delivered upon. This is a multi-million-dollar game. They never gave us an exact number of what it cost to develop it, but I can guarantee you it was a lot, and it's coming out and it's being divulged that it is quite possibly one of the most complex collectible card game video games of all time. Okay. And I'm also going to point out an interesting thing. This is a relevant thing to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This game and the delivering of it again represents a promise made, right? And a promise delivered from the devs to us, the community. Secondly, this is a revenue generating game. It is targeted at people who play video games. It is not necessarily targeted at crypto people. And we want it to be targeted at people who play these types of games because there are hundreds of millions of those people worldwide. And that equals revenue for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Okay, so this complex thing is what grabbed my attention, and I want to show this to you. So in a tweet, Shiba Inu listed the features of the game, which includes 500 collectible cards, 10,000 Shiboshis. Now, Shiboshis are the NFTs, the NFT collections, and they've even put it into, they've told us that they put it into something where you can actually, use NFTs that somebody else's owns. Now, we don't know that. We don't know how that all looks right this second, but that's that. 21 special back powers, 11 passive powers, 87 card traits, and all these kind of things. This is going to give players of Shiba Eternity infinite possibilities within the game, Shiba Inu noted in a tweet. Okay, so this is crazy how complex this is. This could be. So this could be the most complex collectible card game ever that ever came out. And it's relevant to note that they wanted to create and develop and deploy a good game, a game that makes sense, and a game that is fun to play. And that's the other thing I'm really going to tell you is that this is, again, relevant. Are we talking about it in the context right now that it's going to move the price of the token? That's not the point. The point of it is that this is the culmination of again, a promise of something that was on the roadmap that they've delivered. That's what you care about in crypto projects. Okay. Obviously, you can tell I'm not at my studio. I'm actually in my truck. My son is practicing lacrosse right here in the gym across the street. In fact, you can see it. That's actually the gym right there. Where's my? You get my point. But I wanted to create this video for you because this is something that's out there. You needed to know. Again, and also it speaks to the fact that the dev team wanted to create a really, really, really good game. And that's what I care about. So that's what I got for you. As always, I appreciate you. Thank you for giving me a few minutes. My name is Austin Hilton, creating content here for the Clear channel. There's a link down in the description below to check out all of ClearCryptos socials, Instagram, Twitter, Discord. Check them out. Get involved. Clear's on its way, and it's going to be revolutionary in a good way. I'll see you. Have a good one.